Hello, my name is Rich Howard, owner of Architectural Builder Supply, and this video is to bring you a closer look at the Ives number RB472. This is a straight roller bumper is what this is. And straight roller bumpers come in two sizes and different finishes naturally. The two different sizes are generally about 4.5 inch and then 6 inch, which is the RB472. The smaller, or I should say the shorter version, is the RB471. And again, the only difference is just the length of the item. So this is the RB472. This is what it looks like in the oil-rubbed bronze finish, a 613 finish. And it means, well, they call it US10B, is what they call it. But it's made of brass, so it would qualify as being called 613 finish. Even though 613 is actually indicating solid bronze-based material, this is brass. Different finishes it's available in, and I'm looking at a chart that I have there. Satin bronze, which is US10, US10B for oil rub bronze, US3 polished brass, US4 satin brass, US15 satin nickel, US26 satin, polished chrome, and then US26D satin chrome. Okay. Now, its dimensional properties, and there is a link below this video to a document called Cut Sheet, which will give us the dimensional properties of the RB472 and its two sister products, the shorter RB471 and then the curved model, which is the RB470, and we'll talk about its application in a moment. Its base diameter, according to the drawing and my tape measure, is indeed 2 inch. Its overall projection should be 6 inch. That's indeed the case as well. Now, the straight models are going to be used when you have two doors of the opposite hand, meaning one left hand and one right hand door, that swing into each other. So you have a 90-degree wall, and you've got a left-hand door on one wall. You have a right-hand door on the other wall. Just to quickly sketch this out, what it looks like. You have two doors like that swing into each other on an inside wall. And the length of the unit will be directly related to perhaps the projection of the hardware that you have and where you're going to mount this on the door. You'll want to maybe cut yourself a block of wood and see if a 6 inch long or a 4.5 inch long block of wood would be appropriate for the installation. I don't think you would want to have, and it would not be suggested that you have any more projecting hardware than necessary. So order the 471 if possible, otherwise order the 472. The 4.5 inch, I will tell you, are far more common than the 6 inch. But if you have an unusual application where you need a little longer roller arm, this would be the unit to use. Okay, we'll include 3 screws and a complementary finish for installing down into the base that's there that you can see. Now, the balance of the information in the cut sheet gives you installation instructions as well. Place roller bumper is illustrated. The screw location is up to the installer. Mark the screw holes, drill for number 8 screws, install the roller bumper. When 2 bumpers are required, place one higher than the other to prevent interlocking. When doors should be properly enforced with a 3/16 minimum thickness. These screws are threaded to the head, so you'll need something substantial for them to go to. The comment about putting 2 of them together, I never see that on a single opening. Although basically what they're saying is, if you're going to put one here, don't put the other one here, put it here. That kind of scenario. I cannot think of an application where you would actually want 2 of them or need 2 of them on a single door. There's also a link below this video to a document called Product Brochure, and that will give you an overview of those 3 items. It will show you where those and when those are used. The curved is used in the same application, except that you actually have 2 doors of the same swing, and you'll see that illustrated there as well for that type of installation. They do have a couple of different drawings for each of a couple of drawings for the 471 and 472. They do appear to be the same drawing. On that page, it's also listed the different finishes that are available that we've already given you. So that's very helpful there as well. The rest of the detailed information down below will also tell us the replaceable roller bumper part number and a link to it as well. There is also a video of an application where you'll see such an item or where it would be normally used or could be normally used. And then finally, there's a link below this video to the manufacturer's page where you can pull up not only all of the Ives products that we sell, but also a link to the manufacturer's website, as well as a link to the full product catalog. If you have any questions on the Ives, part number RB472 in a 613 or US10B finish, or any other Ives product, please feel free to reach out to us. And thank you.